Hey everyone! If you use Telegram every day for chatting, work, or following massive channels, you've probably noticed those little star badges next to some people's names. That's Telegram Premium. People always ask me, is it actually worth it? Well, if you want double limits, 4 GB file uploads, blazing fast download speeds, and automatic voice-to-text translation, then yeah, it totally is. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to subscribe so you can unlock all these features. Let's get into it. The absolute easiest way to do this, especially if you're on your phone or web, is straight through the app. Open up Telegram and tap on Settings in the bottom corner. Right near the top of the menu, you'll see an option called Telegram Premium. Tap that, and it'll pull up a clean breakdown of all the features you're going to unlock. From there, just hit the subscribe button, and it will process securely through your Apple App Store or Google Play account. It handles your local currency automatically, and your premium badge shows up instantly. Now, here's a pro tip a lot of people miss. If you want to save a few bucks on your subscription, you don't actually want to use the mobile app stores. Apple and Google tack on extra service fees, but you can bypass them completely. If you open the desktop app or a direct version of Telegram on Android, you can search for the official @PremiumBot. Make sure it has that official verified blue checkmark. Just start a chat with the bot, type or select the command to subscribe, and it will give you a direct checkout link. Because you're buying it directly through Telegram's web infrastructure, you get a solid discount compared to the mobile app stores. And that's pretty much it. Once your payment goes through, the perks sync across every single device you're logged into. If this quick guide helped you level up your Telegram setup, drop a thumbs up on the video and let me know in the comments your favorite premium feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.